Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. This car is finished in a Matador red, is the name of the color, which is the original color to the car, with the white vinyl top, which is original to the car, along with the white interior. Check out this motor. It's a 350 built by RPM engines in, let's see where, I didn't remember, in Michigan. They did a beautiful job on the motor. It's got lots of power, starts right up, easy starts. The car has factory power steering, factory disc brakes, and factory air conditioning. As you can see, it's been upgraded to the 134A for the air conditioning, and yes, it blows cold. Engine sounds great on the car. This particular Cutlass has been modified transmission, which has the 4-speed automatic overdrive transmission. Beautiful stance, excellent chrome, nice glass, dual sport mirrors, super clean bucket seat interior with the console, factory rally wheels with the BFGoodrich radial TA tires. Great stance on the car. It drives perfect. Okay, beautiful, beautiful car. Let's walk around it really quick. Look how straight, smooth, and slick the paint is all the way around the Cutlass. Beautiful finish, nice shine. As you can see, dual exhaust, excellent chrome bumper in the back. Look at that finish, very nice. No stress cracks in the paint anywhere. It is a really nice paint job on the Cutlass. Underneath is super clean. Please check out those photos at MGMClassicCars.com. Door jambs are really nice and crisp. Look what I found. Door lips, original, no rust. It's got 4-way power window on the car, tilt wheel, cruise control. All the weather stripping is really nice. Excellent dash, factory console with shifter, gauges, RPM tech has been added. Excellent headliner, seatbelts intact, 6x9s in the trunk, seatbelts everywhere. All the sheet metal on the Oldsmobile is original. This one has the factory stampings, which I will pop the trunk and show you guys. Okay. Trunk is excellent. There's your spare tire and jack assembly. Here's your factory original stampings from GM to tell you that this quarter is original. There are no patches. Beautiful weather stripping, and yes, the numbers are stamped. Let me see, right there. Okay, those are factory GM stampings to show you that's the original quarter sheet metal on the Oldsmobile. Okay, driver's side is just as nice. I'm sorry, passenger side is just as nice. Super clean underneath, dual exhaust. You guys can check out those photos. I mean, just excellent, excellent on the top there. I'm going to start the car. I want you guys to hear it. And then I'm going to pop the hood for you guys. Let's go check out under the hood. So to open up the hood, it's right underneath here. It's a T-handle. You gotta pull it. It's gonna prompt the hood. And then right underneath here, there's a little lever you have to push up on and lift up the hood. Okay. There it is. Beautiful. Odometer showing 52,079 miles. Even the door buzzer works. There you have it, folks. 71 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, finished in Matador red, which is the original color to the car. The entire car is the original color combination. Metal is straight and original on it as well. Go ahead and get a pen. I'm going to give you my phone number for delivery. If you guys need delivery, get a pen. For financing, if your credit score is between 600 and 739, yes, 600 to 739, okay? You will need 10% down for financing. Terms go up to 180 months. There is no prepayment penalty, and it keeps the monthly payment super low. You can find that application at mgmclassiccars.com under the Finance tab. Now, for those of you who have a credit score of 750 and higher, we have a loan program for you too. It's an unsecured loan, no prepayment penalty, terms up to 84 months with no money down. Yes, no money down. Up to 84 months. For those of you that have a credit score of 750 and higher. And if you do, go directly to my lender's website and fill out that credit application, and that is lightstream.com. Again, lightstream.com for those of you over 750. So if you're watching on YouTube, click the button on the bottom right of your screen, subscribe now. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. So as far as delivery is concerned, we do deliver. Text me your zip code. I'll get you a quote, okay? My number is 847-848-1850. Again, my phone number is 847-848-1850. Text me your zip code and I will definitely get you a quote for delivery on this beautiful 71 Oldsmobile. We deliver right to your driveway, licensed, insured, and bonded. Again, right to your driveway. So check that out. If you guys do not text, that's fine. I understand. Call me, leave me a message if I don't answer. I do these videos every day here at mgmclassiccars.com, located in Addison, Illinois. I have over 100 hand-picked beautiful classic cars available on our website. Check us out. We go through all the vehicles here and tell you everything about them. This particular 71 Oldsmobile, let me tell you and let me show you. Our mechanics there in the back work on these cars 6 days a week, okay? So here's my pre-delivery inspection report. Headlights do function, turn signals do function, brake lights do work, wipers do work. Radial is inoperable at the moment. Air conditioning blows cold. Heat does function. It does have a posi 10-bolt in the back. We are giving this car a fresh oil change. The coolant, the brake fluid, the power steering fluid, the transmission fluid is all good on the Olds. The speedometer works, the RPM tach works, the temp gauge works, the oil pressure gauge works, the fuel gauge works. Yes, there is a spare tire in the trunk as well. The odometer reads 52,079 miles. The quarter panels on the car are original, as we discussed. The tire size on this car are 225, 70/14s all around the car. Okay, any other info? Well, let me tell you. The windshield has a small little chip right there, okay? So very hard to see from 10 feet away, but it's there. Just wanted to show it to you, okay? And the power windows, okay, they all do function except this driver's rear window here. It just needs a little assistance when it goes up, okay? So those are the two things about the car, okay? Everything else is excellent. Everything else is great. Love the car, love the stance. You guys have all the information. Call me, text me. My number's 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com. Have a great day.